Should we get a chocolate croissant?
Yes, absolutely. They look so fresh.
I will order 2 right now.
You are making my morning perfect.
What time does your first meeting start?
It starts at 9 o'clock sharp.
You will do great, don't worry.
Thank you for the sweet encouragement.
Any fun ideas for this weekend?
How about visiting the art museum?
That sounds like a brilliant idea.
I will check the ticket prices online.
The traffic this morning was terrible.
Everyone was driving so slowly today.
Glad we managed to arrive early.
Early birds get the best seats.
This coffee tastes exceptionally good today.
They always use fresh roasted beans.
We should come here every morning.
I completely agree with you.
Are you still reading that novel?
Yes, and the plot twist is amazing.
You have to lend it to me next.
Only if you promise to read it.
Oh no, my battery is dying.
You forgot to charge it again?
I left the cable in my car.
Don't worry, I brought a spare power bank.
You are an absolute lifesaver today.
It is no trouble at all.
I really appreciate your kindness always.
That is what good friends are for.
Do you know this song playing?
Yes, it is an old classic track.
This band has wonderful melodies.
It brings back lovely memories.
Have you painted anything new recently?
I finished a landscape portrait yesterday.
You must show me pictures later.
I will share them on my phone.
Where should we grab lunch today?
How about that Italian bistro?
Their pasta is absolutely delicious.
It's a date for 12:30 then.
Are we going to the gym tonight?
Do we really have to exercise?
Consistency is key to fitness.
Fine, let's do a heavy workout.
Should we plan a mountain road trip?
That sounds like a thrilling adventure.
I will rent a nice car tomorrow.
I can't wait for the weekend.
The morning light looks wonderful outside.
It is perfect for taking pictures.
Let's take a quick selfie now.
Make sure I look good.
What are you cooking for dinner?
I am making homemade vegetable soup.
That sounds exceptionally healthy and warm.
You are welcome to join us.
Do your indoor plants grow well?
Yes, they bloom every single spring.
You have a true magical garden thumb.
They just need a little love.
My laptop updates take forever.
Technology always slows down when busy.
I need to buy a faster processor.
Start saving your money then.
I finally feel fully awake now.
It only took 2 full cups.
Hey, do not judge my morning speed.
I would never dream of it.
The weekend grocery store gets so packed.
We should go early in the morning.
That is a very smart strategy.
Efficiency is everything on weekends.
Did you watch that new sci-fi film?
Not yet. Is it actually good?
The visual effects are breathtaking.
We must watch it together tonight.
I stayed up too late reading.
You need better sleeping habits.
You sound just like my mother.
Somebody has to take care of you.
Learning new languages is so rewarding.
Your pronunciation improves every single day.
Thank you for practicing with me.
Practice makes progress happen.
I want to buy a vintage camera.
Analog photos have such unique charm.
Let's go browse antique shops later.
That sounds like a fun excursion.
So much for my healthy diet.
Life is too short for strict diets.
You speak absolute wisdom today.
Always trust my life advice.
We should probably head out soon.
Time really flies when chatting.
Thank you for the wonderful morning chat.
My pleasure entirely, dear friend.